Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. The students of 10 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and fine. I hope you are studying regularly and following my online classes also. Okay. Today is from chapter 2, Cells and Tissue of Organism. My previous lecture I had given 2 important creative question. Today is another creative question. This is 3 non-creative question from chapter 2. So look at this. Figure A and figure B. Here you can see figure A, the figure is known as nucleus, you know, and figure B, the figure is known as chloroplast. Okay, you know the figure. Figure 1A is nucleus and figure B is chloroplast. Okay, first question A, what is an oxysome? Oxysome you can found in mitochondria. Okay, oxysome, the inner membrane of mitochondria has in folding which are studded with small round bodies known as oxysome. Inner body here, finger like structure that is known as cristae, and in the cristae here round shaped structure, this is known as oxysome. Okay, oxysome. The inner membrane of mitochondria has infolding which are studded with small round bodies known as oxysome. Okay, then what is meant by a centrosome? Centrosome. Okay, centrosome is a non-membranous organelle of cell. Okay, non-membranous. These are found in most animal cell. Okay, but they are rarely found in cells of lower plant. Okay, the centriole in the centrosome develop astral ray and play a significant role in constructing spindle apparatus. Okay, a centriole is a hollow cylindrical organelle inside the centrosome. The thick liquid surrounding the centriole is called centrosphere. Okay, so here two centriole and this is centrosphere. This is centrosphere and the figure is centrosome. Centrosome. This is centriole and this is centrosphere. Centrosphere, sphere. Okay, liquid substance known as centrosphere and this is centriole too, and total figure known as centrosome. Okay, a centriole is a hollow cylindrical, centriole is a hollow and cylindrical organelle inside the centrosome. The thick liquid surrounding the centriole is called centrosphere. The centriole and centrosphere make up the centrosome together. Okay. Number C, figure B is called a unique organelle of the plant cell. Explain. Figure B is known as chloroplast. Okay. The picture shown in figure B is the chloroplast of which cell? Plant cell. Okay, you know. If is a unique organelle of the plant cell and absent in the animal cell. Okay, you know. They are found in the cells of leaves, young stems, and other green parts of a plant. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Okay, for having chlorophyll, plants look green and produce on their foods. Okay, the grana parts of a chloroplast capture solar energy and convert it into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. Okay, name of the process of photosynthesis. This captures solar energy helps to produce simple carbohydrate from cellular water and carbon dioxide taken from air with the help of many enzymes. Okay, sunlight and chlorophyll is essential for the reaction. Okay, uh, and you will write the figure. Okay, chloroplast figure and label it. Then D nong question, in case of heredity, figure A plays an important role. In case of heredity, figure A, above the figure A is known as nucleus. Okay, nucleus is the life of a cell. Okay, and the picture of figure A is the nucleus of cell. The nucleus is a membrane bound prominent organelle, okay, found in the eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, you cannot found true nucleus. Okay, and eukaryotic cell you can found true nucleus, and eukaryotic cell which carries chromosome. Okay, nucleus, a true nucleus has 4 parts. This is nuclear membrane. This is black-like structure, nucleolus. This is nucleoplasm. Space in the nucleus, that is known as nucleoplasm, and thread-like structure, this is known as chromosome. Okay, so a eukaryotic cell which carries chromosome. It is roughly round or spherical in structure. It is absent in mature sheep cell and red blood cell. Okay, in mature sheep cell and red blood cell they have no true nucleus. Okay, a well-structured nucleus has 4 parts such as nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus and chromosome. In chromosome, okay, they are situated DNA, and DNA bears your characteristics and it bears from father to mother to next generation. Okay, so DNA is very important from this fact, and DNA situated in chromosome, and here chromosome situated in nucleus. So you will write this one DNA, and that means gene. Okay, gene bears your characteristics, and from this gene, more than gene is responsible for one character, and one character bears more than many others gene. Okay, so you will write this. This question is Rajshahi Board 17. This type question is very important for you. And some question of A and B. Okay, A and B question. What is lymph? First one question. What is lymph? Lymph. Okay, lymph. This is the question for 1 number. What is lymph? Lymph, a yellow colored. Okay, a yellow colored, transparent and slightly alkaline liquid stored within the intercellular space of human body is called lymph. Okay, yellow colored, transparent and slightly alkaline liquid stored within the in the intercellular space of human body is called lymph. Lymph contain lymphocyte cell. Okay, lymph contain lymphocyte cell. Then the question is, what is eukaryotic cell? Okay, this is also one long question. What is eukaryotic? Eukaryotic cell. Okay. What is eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic cell is the cell whose nucleus is well structured. Okay, well structured and has other membranous organelle. Okay, that means well structured nucleus is in the cell. This type of cell known is eukaryotic cell. Okay, then why cardiac muscle is different than others? Why cardiac muscle, muscle, muscle is different. Cardiac muscle is different than others. Okay, this question is very important for two. Why cardiac muscle is different than others? Okay, cardiac muscle you can found in your heart. Okay, cardiac muscle is the special type of involuntary muscle. Okay, this is a special type of involuntary muscle that forms the heart of vertebrate animal. Okay, the cells of this muscle tissue are tubular. Okay, tubular, very similar to those of voluntary muscle, branch, hair branch, and have transverse striation. Okay, between the cells of this tissue, intercalated discs are present. In this type of tissue you can see intercalated discs. Okay, the contraction and relaxation of this tissue is not dependent on the will of the animal. That is, the structure of heart muscle is like that of voluntary muscles and the function is like that of involuntary muscle. Okay, so cardiac muscle like as voluntary muscle, but its function is like that of involuntary muscle. Okay, that's why cardiac muscle is different than other type of muscle. Okay, then what is called organ? Okay, number 4 question, what is called organ? Okay, this is the question for 1. What is called organ? A part of the animal body formed by the combination of one or more than one type of tissue performing a particular function is called an organ. A part of the animal body formed by the combination of one or more than one type of tissues performing a particular function is called an organ. Okay, then go to the question of write down the full name of RNA. Full name of RNA is known as ribonucleic acid. Okay, then what is zygote? What is zygote? Okay, one long question. What is zygote? What is zygote? Zygote is a single cell which is formed by the union of two gametes from father and mother. Okay, So zygote is a single cell which is formed by the union of two gametes from father and mother. Then question 6. What do you mean by integumentary system? Okay, this is the question for 2. What do you mean by integumentary system? The membrane covering of the body from outside is called integument or skin. Okay, the system is called integumentary system. Okay, this system covered the body and protect the body from external injury or attack of harmful microbes. Okay, our skin will be attacked many bacteria, fungus, also attack of harmful microbes. It also controls the movement of various materials through outside and inside of the body. It also protects the liquid parts inside the body. Okay, inside the body. Then what is conducting tissue? Okay, one long question. What is conducting tissue? Okay, what is conducting tissue? One long question. Complex tissue which conducts water and minerals and prepare food is called conducting tissue. Okay, complex tissue. So what is complex tissue? Xylem and phloem. Okay, complex tissue which conducts water and minerals and prepare food is called conducting tissue. Okay, why is the nucleus called? Next question. Why is the 8th question? Why is the nucleus called the brain of the cell? Okay, the brain of the cell. The nucleus, this is the question for 2 Okay, the nucleus is a membrane bound prominent organ found in eukaryotic cells and carries chromosomes. Okay, it is roughly round or spherical in structure. The chromosomes of the nucleus carry the heredity information of the organism. Nucleus controls all the activities of a cell. That's why nucleus is called the brain of a cell. Okay. Then prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell oblique prokaryotic cell. Okay, prokaryotic cell. What is prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell is the cell that does not have any well developed nucleus. Okay, well developed nucleus, that is known as prokaryotic cell. Write down the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay, number 9. Write down the differences, RENCES, or difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay, between plant cell and animal cell. 2. 2, so you will write 4 difference. Okay, in plant cell, cell wall present, centrosome absent, cell cavity large, plastid present. Okay, this is the characteristics of plant cell. On the other hand, animal cell, cell wall absent, centrosome present, cell cavity smaller, Okay, if present, it is smaller, and plastid absent. Okay. Uh, then last question, what is called locus? Number 10, what is called locus? Okay, one long question. What is called locus? The location of a gene throughout a chromosome is called locus. Okay, the location of a gene throughout a chromosome is called locus. Okay, so these are the important question for you from chapter 2. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Okay.